Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of losing potential leads and missing out on business opportunities? Well, today I've got you covered. In this video, I'm going to show you how to capture every opportunity in GoHighLevel so no lead ever slips through the cracks. Ready? Let's dive in. First, let's make sure your lead capture forms are set up correctly. Head over to Funnels or Websites in GoHighLevel. Select the page where you want to collect leads and simply drag in a form element. Now that we've got your form in place, let's make sure you never miss a new lead. Go to the Automation tab and create a workflow. Add a trigger for when someone submits a form, and boom, you'll get instant notifications via email or SMS. Okay, so now we've captured the lead. But what's next? Follow up. While you're still in the workflow, let's add an email or SMS sequence to automatically follow up with leads. Track and manage leads. Finally, don't forget to track your leads. Go to the Opportunities section to see exactly where each lead is in your sales funnel. And there you have it. By following these 4 simple steps, you'll ensure that no lead slips through the cracks and every opportunity is captured. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and hit subscribe so you don't miss out on more business-boosting tips like this.